हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू टुडेज़ क्लास। आज हम एक बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट और इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक शुरू करने जा रहे हैं, कंप्यूटर फंडामेंटल्स यानी कंप्यूटर की बुनियादी जानकारी। आज के समय में कंप्यूटर हमारी लाइफ का सबसे ज़रूरी हिस्सा बन चुका है। चाहे वो शिक्षा हो, बिजनेस हो, रिसर्च हो या एंटरटेनमेंट, हर जगह कंप्यूटर का उपयोग होता है। लेकिन क्या आप जानते हैं कि कंप्यूटर सिर्फ कैलकुलेशन करने वाली मशीन नहीं है, बल्कि यह लॉजिकल काम भी कर सकता है। इसी कारण इसे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक ब्रेन भी कहा जाता है। तो चलिए स्टेप बाय स्टेप हम सीखते हैं व्हाट इज़ कंप्यूटर, इसकी डेफिनेशन, एबिलिटीज़ और बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स लाइक इनपुट, प्रोसेसिंग, आउटपुट, डेटा और इंफॉर्मेशन। Computer fundamentals. What is computer? The word computer is derived from the word compute, which means to calculate. Earlier computers were mainly considered as calculating machines. But today, computers are not limited only to mathematical calculations. They are capable of performing mathematical as well as logical operations. A computer can do any task which can be expressed in a set of logical steps, instructions. Uses of modern computers are widely used in business purposes, accounting, billing, data storage, online trading, etc., scientific purposes, research, space technology, weather forecasting, etc., education, e-learning, online classes, digital libraries, etc., entertainment, movies, music, games, social media, etc. Definitions of computer. First definition. A computer is an electronic machine which collects input, processes it, and gives the desired output, result, formula, input, process, output. Second definition. A computer is a very fast electronic machine which collects data and processes it to generate useful information. Formula, data, process, information. Third definition. A computer is an electronic machine which has the following abilities: to accept data and instructions as input, to store data for future use, to process data according to instructions, to produce meaningful output information. Third, definition of computer. A computer is an electronic machine which has the following abilities: I. Ability to accept input. T. Ability to perform mathematical and logical works. 3. Ability to store data for future use. 4. Ability to produce desired result. Output. Basic concepts. 1. Input. The data and instructions that we give to the computer are called input. 2. Processing. Performing mathematical and logical operations on data is called processing. 3. Output. The result of data processing that we get from the computer is called output. 4. Data are the values which are to be processed on the computer. The word data is the plural form of datum, which means fact. So, data equals collection of facts. 5. Information. When data is processed, it becomes information. Information is the processed form of data, which is meaningful and useful. Flow. Input. Processing, output, stored as data information. Computer system. A computer system is a set of functional components which work together to process data and produce information. It is mainly formed by the following components. 1. Computer hardware. Hardware refers to the physical components of a computer. These are electrical, electronic or mechanical parts of the computer which we can see and touch. Examples: keyboard, mouse, monitor, printer, CPU, hard disk, scanner, etc. 2. Computer software. Software refers to the set of programs that control the working of computer hardware. It helps the computer to process data and produce the desired result. Examples: Windows, MS Word, MS Excel, PowerPoint, PageMaker, Tally, etc. 3. Liveware. User. The person who operates or uses the computer is called the user or liveware. Without the user, a computer system cannot function. In short, computer system equals hardware plus software plus liveware. User. Important points. Charles Babbage is called the father of modern computer. Central Processing Unit, CPU, is called the brain of the computer. Control Unit, CU, is called the nerve center of the computer. Differences between computer and calculator. 1. Function calculator. Able to do only mathematical calculations. Computer, able to do mathematical as well as logical operations. 2. Data processing calculator. Processes only numbers. Computer, processes numbers, alphabets, symbols, images, sounds, etc. 3. Storage calculator. Cannot store data for future use. Computer, can store data permanently for future use. 4. Output calculator. Produces fixed output. Computer, produces desired output according to given instructions. 5. Extensibility calculator. Not extensible. Functions are limited. Computer, extensible. New features can be added through software and hardware. In short table form, basis calculator. Computer function, only mathematical work. Mathematical plus logical work. Data processing numbers, only numbers. Alphabets, symbols. Multimedia storage, no storage. Can store data for future output. Fixed output. Desired output. एक्सटेंसिबिलिटी नॉट एक्सटेंसिबल एक्सटेंसिबल. सो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हमने सीखा कि कंप्यूटर क्या है, उसकी डेफिनेशंस क्या हैं और कैसे वह इनपुट, प्रोसेसिंग, आउटपुट, डेटा और इन्फॉर्मेशन पर काम करता है. कंप्यूटर केवल कैलकुलेशन करने वाली मशीन नहीं है, बल्कि ये एक पावरफुल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइस है जो लॉजिकल वर्क्स भी करता है. आने वाले वीडियोस में हम कंप्यूटर के और भी महत्वपूर्ण कॉन्सेप्ट्स स्टेप बाय स्टेप सीखेंगे. अगर आपको ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगा हो तो इसे लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और चैनल मिथिलानी टीचर सुप्रिया को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिए. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में एक नए इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक के साथ.